Hello everyone, this is Abhishek from CapsLucky channel, and in this video I am saying about Oppo A83 Pro specification and features. So let's get started in a short and simple way. So shall we? Oppo A83 appears to have received a new variant with upgraded specification. Oppo A83 was launched in India in January this year at a price point of Rs 13,990. Now it looks like the company has come up with an upgraded variant called Oppo A83 Pro. The Oppo A83 Pro is likely to have a higher RAM and storage capacity than the Oppo A83, but there is no official confirmation from the company regarding the launch of the new device. According to a report by Gadget 360 citing one of the retail sources, Oppo has launched the A83 Pro in India at a price point of Rs 15,990. Given that the smartphone has more RAM and storage space than the vanilla variant of the smartphone, it is likely to be marginally more expensive than the A83. Notably, the launch of the Oppo A83 Pro has come just a few weeks after the price cut on the A83. Earlier this month, the Oppo A83 received a price cut of Rs 1,500, taking it down from Rs 13,990 to Rs 12,490, while the Oppo A83 came with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of storage space. The newly launched Pro variant is said to pack in upgraded 4GB of RAM and 64GB storage space. Otherwise, the specification and features of both the smartphones are said to be identical. The Oppo A83 first impression detailing on its specification. The Oppo A83 Pro adorns a 5.7-inch HD Plus LCD display with a resolution of 1440 into 720 pixel and 18:9 aspect ratio. The smartphone runs on Android 7.1 now got topped with a ColorOS 3.2. The hardware aspect comparison of a 2.5 GHz octa-core MediaTek MT67370 SoC, 4GB of RAM and 64GB of storage capacity. For imaging, the Oppo A83 Pro flaunts a 30MP camera sensor at its rear with a LED flash and an 8MP selfie camera at the front as well. Interestingly, there is face unlock just like the regular Oppo A83. The other aspect include 4G Volt, Bluetooth 4.2, a 3.5mm audio jack, GPS and necessary sensors. The battery capacity is 3180 mAh battery and it is started to give a decent backup. For the latest tech news and reviews, follow CapsLucky on Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, Google+, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. That's all for now. Keep watching all the videos and wait for the next best tech videos for you.